Now I've got wings and I can attach these wings to the fairy. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And for this, I need a fairy with no wings. So I'm going to get a little bit close up. So your fairy will have already had the hair put on, and she'll have her like her body. The fairy will basically be done with the exception of the wings. You might not have put the toadstool on her, but you need to move the hair a little bit out of the way for this. Now, where is the camera zooming in? Because it's as sure as hell not zooming in. Ah, that's better. Sorry, I was swearing then as well. Just ignore. Yeah, Emma needs to put a bleep on there. So all you need to do now is you need to use a little bit of your dragon mix there, just a tiny wisp. And because these are skeleton leaves, they're very, very delicate. You can see how you can even look through them, and you position them so that they're on the back of the fairy. You can even look at it the right way round. Just make sure that they are in the place where you want them to be. It's really hard to even. In fact, I'm just going to move this felting mat because you can probably see them better against the green. There you go. So if you're happy that they're in the right place, use your tiny wispy bit of dragon mix. In fact, that's probably too much. Just lay it on the back of the wings. You can also glue them if you wish. And then you can just felt them, literally felt into the skeleton leaf. You don't want to do too much felting there because they are very delicate. So don't felt them on like your life depends on it. Just give it a few stabs, and the sort of crunching noise that you might hear is actually me stabbing into the raffia that is tied around the waist of the fairy. So you shouldn't feel any resistance felting into the wings. And then if depending on how long the hair is, you can put it back over the wings like this, and then your fairy has got wings to fly off or just to hang out amongst the leaves and the toadstools, and welcome the autumn, which I know I should embrace, and I'm trying really hard because I love the colors. You've got a very bright, lovely little fairy there with a beautiful dress, and yeah, she's ready to brighten your day even on a stormy day.